In this problem, the total cost in dollars of printing X thousand copies of a book is given by Cx equals 9,000 plus 40,000 times natural log of 0.5 x plus 1. Find the cost of printing 12,000 copies. And part B, if the total cost of printing is 100,000, how many books are printed? Let's get started with the first one. For the cost, the Cx equals 9,000 plus 40,000 multiplied by natural log of 0.5 x plus 1. Printing 12,000 copy, that is your x value. And the x, the unit is in 1,000 copy. That means the x gonna be just 12, not the whole 12,000, because the unit indicate that the number will be in 1,000 copies. So we're gonna compute C at 12 equals 9,000 plus 40,000 multiplied by natural log of 0.5 multiplied by 12 and then plus 1. And then we can use a calculator to get the number out. So we have 9,000. Let's clear this up. So 9,000 plus 40,000 multiplied by the natural log or the Ln of the value 0.5 times the value 12, which is 12,000 copy, and then plus 1. Close the parentheses, hit enter. The number come out to be 86836.41. The total cost in dollars, so we keep 2 decimal places. So the value is 86,836 and 41 cents. In part B, if a total cost of printing is $100,000, how many books are printed? So we are going to find the X where the Cx is $100,000. From the formula that we use or given to us, the Cx equals 40,000 plus no. The second part of this problem, if the total cost is $100,000, which is the value of the Cx, we are looking for how many books or X and unit is in thousand of the copies are printed. For the Cx that provided us 9,000 plus 40,000 multiplied by natural log of 0.5 x plus 1. Replace the Cx with 100,000 equals 9,000 plus 40,000 times the natural log of 0.5 x plus 1. Our goal is to solve for x, which is the expression behind the log term here. First, we're going to subtract both sides by 9,000. The left-hand side becomes 91,000 equals 40,000 multiplied by log of 0.5 x plus 1. The next step, we are going to divide both sides by 40,000. So the left-hand side becomes 91 divided by 40 equals the natural log of 0.5 x plus 1. Next step, we are going to solving the log equation. To solve the log equation, we're going to use the property that e to the power of the natural log of x equals x as the cancellation law. To do this, we're going to raise both sides of the equation as the power of the e. So then the left-hand side is e to the power 91 divided by 40, where the right-hand side exponential and the log cancel each other. becomes 0.5x plus 1. We're gonna go ahead and then solve for x by subtracting both sides by 1. The left-hand side is e to the 91 over 40 minus 1 equals 0.5x, and then divide both sides by 0.5. And put in the calculator to get the number out for us. Open the parentheses, e to the power, which is the notation above the ln button. So hit the blue and then the ln to show the e to the superscript or the slot for the exponent. And we type in 91 divided by 40 for the power. Bring the cursor down, subtract it by 1, close the parentheses for the numerator, and divide it by 0.5 for the denominator. Hit enter. We get 17.46. Or we can rewrite it as x equals 17.4558. And remember the unit of the x is in thousand. So this one, x is about, we're going to be multiplied by 1,000. It's about 17455.8 copies, or about 17456 copies, as we round to the nearest book.